Welcome back. Let's look at data exploration of two-way and three-way. Exploring variables, data two variables at a time. Have a few different options here within JMP, and we're going to look at these three possibilities. So the first one is tabulate, so analyze and tabulate, and allows us to just drag and drop variables into these zones and then create tabulation. Think of cross tabulation. Exploring data two variables at a time using the fit y by x platform. When we do that, our y variable could be either categorical or continuous. Our x's could be categorical or continuous. So let's look at those combinations, starting where the categorical is a y, and then look at is a continuous, and the x's could be either or both. So categorical y, a continuous x, creates a logistic plot. Statistical results for that plot under the whole model test. This is a p-value, and based on the chi-square distribution, and we want it less than 0.05 to say is statistically significant, and so we can see that relationship is, in this case, categorical y and a categorical x, being a variable reason at two different levels, and basically are they the same response of the 0 and the 1 regardless of level or not. And we can look at it graphically and then look at it statistically, contingency table, and then some test results, again based on chi-square and p-values, and again looking for something say less than 0.05. What about when we have a continuous y and then either categorical or continuous x's? We have these features available to us with results and ways of determining significance. So in the first one here we have this for our y variable, it's continuous, it's that lone value, and we have our x variable, categorical, different levels based on the job variable. And so when we access that, then we get options including this one called means ANOVA. So we want to look at an ANOVA of this, and so we can see within here these categories of job. Down this side there's an option called display options. Click on box plots. Helps us graphically see differences in this continuous amount of loan based on the level within this one categorical variable. And then statistically we can look at the ANOVA, the analysis of variance, and this p-value here to see if there's something, at least one that's different from the rest. When we compare continuous y and continuous x, what it gives us is a scatter plot. We can also select histogram borders, and that gives us a little better insight. Or we could add a line, and you can use that using fit mean. And with a line, it tests this. It's an ANOVA. It's a single predictor, and it looks to see that significance, and we can see that from the p-values, but that's something we'll talk about more in a later class. Three variables at a time. Scatterplot matrix, we can use the graph builder. There's different combinations we might be looking at. We're looking for now we're just looking at continuous variables, and we'd use a scatterplot matrix or this analyze multivariate methods, multivariate. And we pull up the dialog box for that. So let's just select three continuous to see how this works. So again, analyze multivariate, multivariate. and then it shows each comparison of correlation. So this would be the correlation between loan and mortgage due. This would be between mortgage due and value, and you can see a corresponding one mortgage due and value here. Or this would be between loan and value. And so it looks like the strongest relationship is between mortgage due and value. You can also see those up here in the correlation. We can see that mortgage due and value has a correlation of about 0.8788. And that's it. See you next time.